Good morning, everyone. This is Gary with Milliman Outdoors. Hope everyone's doing fine. Went yesterday and bought some lumber, as you can see on the trailer there. Built me a chicken run and some material to start one or two more deer blinds. And right there's my chicken coop that I built. If you haven't already seen it, it's not completely finished, but I had to put the new chicks in it because they was growing so fast. I'm getting ready to do chores this morning. I'll let you see how big them chicks are getting. Gotta watch it, because if you can see, they really want to come out. What it is they're spoiled. I say spoiled because what I do in the mornings, I have a treat that I give them. Not only do they get a little bit of gravel, I give them fine gravel for their digestive system, but I also give them a treat of it's some kind of worm, dried worm, and boy do they love that stuff. Finally getting some nice days. We've been having so much rain here lately, it seemed like. It's been hard at times to even do things. And that wind, oh my goodness. If things weren't fastened down, they'd be gone. This is that chick gravel that helps them, they claim helps it digest the food, so I always give them a little of that. And here's what I give them, that mealworm it's called, and boy do they love it. They actually, it was hard to even catch them. And since I started giving them 16, yep, got them all. That's why I got to get the chicken run done. They're big enough right now they could go out. No, we don't have the heater on anymore because they don't need it. And luckily, the temperature has been staying in the high 40s, and they seem to be taking it pretty good. So, and we finally got the cage done on my nephew's chickens over here. He has, I think, seven of them in there, different varieties, as you can see. We added on to his coop to give him a little more room, and he also put automatic door opener on his, and I made up a little chicken ramp for him, and a little A-frame tripod like thing there for him to go up and roost on. We use just regular 2x4s. No, actually, them is 2x3s for the for the legs, and I just went out in the woods and picked up some branches that were on the ground in my trails, cut them down to length, and that's what they roost on. They seem to like them branches like that better than using a regular board for some reason, so that's what we use. There is a lot of things that we have to do today. I don't know if we'll get most of it done, but I have to go get chicken feed, another bale of pine shavings for them, and then I'll probably, as soon as the grass dries, I have to start mowing. Like I said, we have, between my brother and I area here, we have about 5 acres or so to mow, and that takes a little while, and it's all uphill, downhill. There's nothing really flat. And then I want to start putting my trail camera up down below my house here. Put the trail camera up, and because down here we have a spot from that far field over there where the deer and the turkeys come through, and they go right around in front of us. And that'll give me an idea, because we have, driving around in the evenings in the area, spotted just last night 2 baby fawns. So they are starting to drop them, and hopefully we'll catch some on camera, because they bring them through. So then I got to straighten up my little area here where, I think it was a week ago, we had a lot of company, and they was sitting around the campfire here in the evening. So hang in there. We'll take you along today, but it'll be kind of a busy day doing stuff. Dave and I are stopping into our favorite little store.
Look at the dirty windshield.
Huh?
I tried to wash it off, but I'm out of fluid.
Oh, I ain't worried. But you don't really see it in here so far.
Oh, really?
Our favorite little tractor supply store in Hudson, Michigan. We don't care for perfect. Go in here, and we're going to look for stuff for our ponds, and pick up some chicken feed and a bale of shavings, pine shavings for the chickens. So, okay, let's see. Find the area for pond stuff. I'd almost say straight ahead, Dave. I see.
It almost looks like it, don't it?
Try to find some stuff here. They have all kinds of stuff in here for vegetation, and
Yeah.
you don't mind, do you?
No.
Okay. What's your name?
My name's Phoebe.
Phoebe. Okay.
Oh, here they are.
Young lady helping us try to find what we need.
And they're actually on clearance right now. I'll have to grab a scanner.
Well, we have 2 ponds at home, and you guys have seen that we have on my channel, so.
I think I tried one of these once a long time ago, but I can't remember how.
Here, I'm gonna get a scanner and tell you how much it is exactly.
Every time we come in this store, the people in here are so helpful, and And this is this is a brand new store. It's not been here. I think this winter it opened up.
How much are they?
She said something about she's checking on pricing. Now we'll go in here, and I need to pick up. Oh, let me see. They have so much stuff for them today, Dave.
I know it matters, Gary, what you feed them. So.
Well, I want to get basically the same thing I already had. Because I don't want to, this is what I had, so. And this is what I'm going to pick up.